Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Google Docs is a word processor included as a part of a free web-based Google Docs suite offered by Google within its Google Drive service. Google Docs is available as a web application, mobile app for Android, iOS, Windows, BlackBerry, and as a desktop application on Google Chrome OS. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 per hour from Google Docs, work-from-home jobs in 2021. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss how to start earning in a super simple way. Number 1. Go to MoneyPantry. Have you ever heard of this site? MoneyPantry is a blog site that is dedicated to informing people about finances and how to earn and save money. What you want to do is go to moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite. That is the website that will be the key to earning you big bucks. On this site, you'll need no investment and you won't have to pay any startup fees or anything of that nature. Whether your goal is to become debt-free, increase your overall net worth, retire early, pay off credit cards or college loans, or simply to manage your money better, you need a plan of action. You can get one that makes it extremely easy to get started. The pay itself is also relatively fast. There are plenty of websites out there that will pay you instantly to write blog posts. Checking out this website, you will see that you could potentially be earning $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post. That's a lot of money. Scroll down on this site and you will find a ton of different websites that will pay you to write. There are also categories such as travel. Look through all these options because some will pay a lot just for one blog post. Find categories that best suits you. If you scroll down, you will find the category General Interest. So basically, you can get paid to write about anything and everything you can think of. You can write a story or about something that happened to you recently, and you'll get paid for it. Just write it and submit it to the website, and you might get approved. Let's take one website for an example. Go to the website Vibrant Life in the General Interest category and click on it. You will then see what the articles need to be about. This website shows that they need to be about health, exercise, nutrition, and other related topics. Make sure to read exactly what the website is posting about so you know what to write about. Once you know what to write about, you will then continue on to make the actual articles. Using this list, you'll be creating articles based off the many different blog sites shown in the list. You will find ways to copy and paste and use tools online to write. Once you've found all your sources, you will then write an amazing document that you can submit and hopefully get accepted. MoneyPantry's list is so big that you will find something that is right for you. They have over 100 website links to check out, and all of them pay a lot of money. Some pay per article, while others pay per word. It'll be very easy to write these articles, so you won't want to miss out on how to do it. Number 2. Go to Google Docs. Most important part of this video, Google is a great tool and it is the main reason for this video. This is the key to getting you a ton of cash through writing articles. This is simple to do and won't take up too much of your time. Using Google for this makes everything super easy. First, go to Google. Next, you'll want to search Google Docs. If you have a Google account, you may already be familiar with Google Docs. Google Docs is a free software on the web that works similar to how Microsoft Word works. It's right there on Google. It's great because it's another free resource utilizing Google to earn money. So with that, search Google Docs. Then a page of search results will show up. There will be a couple of results at the top of the page, but it's recommended to click on the second result. That will open up directly to your Google Docs. You may already have documents, but what you want to do is create a new document. What you're going to do is scroll to the bottom right of the page. There, you will see a plus button. Hover over that and you see Create New Document. All you have to do is click on it and you'll have a new document open up. Now you'll be able to start from scratch and create your blog post. Number 3. Speech to text. On step number 3, Google Docs has many great tools and features. One of them is text to speech. With this, you don't have to type. You just speak into your microphone and the computer will type out what you're saying. It makes everything super simple and fast so you can earn quicker. This is easy to set up, so here's how it's done. You have your Google Doc opened up. Now go to the top tabs and select Tools. Under the Tools tab, look for Voice Typing. After you click on that, a microphone symbol will appear. So what do you do with that? Well, you just have to click it. Once you click it, you will just speak. So instead of typing out your words, you just say what you want the article to say. When the microphone symbol turns red, that means it's ready to record your words. It's very easy to use. When you end your sentences, make sure to say period to add a period to the document. This also works for other symbols such as a comma. This is a great way to write your document through Google Docs, so try it out and see how much time you save. Number 4, go to Quora. Not mainly known, but a great site. Quora is a great site to go to when you need questions answered. It's filled with knowledge and people looking to help you out. This will be the main source of information for your articles. You'll be using the site to get ideas for articles and even copy and paste small segments of answers into your own writing. This will be a helpful site for you to start earning. First, go to Quora. You won't need to sign up, so no worry about that. This is only if you are looking to use all of the social media features on the site. But we won't be needing that. So go to the top of the page and find the search bar. For example, let's say we want to write an article about health and fitness. We will need to search information about it. Using the search bar, type in what you want to search. In this case, we can search something like how to lose weight without exercising. When you go to search a question, you can usually see that other people have searched for your question or at least a similar question. That's great! There are a ton of questions that have been answered, and this will be beneficial to you. You can now click on one of the questions on the page and look at the answers. Normally, there will be several answers, and you can use that to gather information on your topic. Using these sites, you can easily find inspiration on what to write about. There are plenty of great topics, and you will find one that fits the blog you choose to write for. Browsing through the answers on Quora, you will see that some people have written long and detailed responses. You can use that as inspiration for your article. There is really a ton of great information here. You can take bits of all of these answers and use it to write. Number 5, copy and paste segments. On to step number 5. Copy and paste are staple keyboard commands, and with your writing, they can be a big help in getting your word count up. Some websites require a certain word count, while others will pay you per word, so you want to write as many as possible. That is why copying and pasting can help you out. It's important to note that you shouldn't copy and paste an entire section and try to make up your own phrases and reword the sections as often as possible. So here's how it's done. Go to Quora and find your answers. Look for an answer or two that you really like, something that sounds good. Maybe there's some good advice that you've read. Go to that section of the answer. Select a sentence or two from what you want and hit Control-C on a PC and Command-C on a Mac. Then go to your Google Doc page and paste the sentence right into it by pressing Control-V on a PC and Command-V on a Mac. Then you will have a great bit added to your document, and it was super simple. Now you'll be compiling and collecting tips and bits of answers from Quora and using that to help you build your blog post. This is super simple and will get you a ton of cash in no time. Number 6, looking for more websites. Next step. Here's another thing you can do to earn cash by writing blog posts. The internet has a lot of different ways you can earn simply by writing for blogs, and the payout is often amazing. One way you can expand on what you've already done with this list is by going to Google and searching "Get paid to write articles." Then hit enter. You will see a page show up with a ton of different links. There are plenty of websites that offer lists of other websites that will pay you to write blog posts for them. This is a great way to find resources. It's also very simple. You can find sites all by searching Google. And as you'll notice, some of these sites will pay you anywhere from $100 a blog post to upwards of $1,000 per blog post. This technique is a great way to build up a side hustle and earn part-time income to help supplement your main source of income. Try it out because it can be super easy and lucrative. Number 7, go to Text Broker. Final move? Text Broker is a site that will pay you to write. The rates are quite decent, and they even include a slider that will show you how much you can get paid. They pay per word, so keep that in mind when you're writing articles for them. Check out their website and sign up. It's free. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thank you for watching.